Hey friends, I am so excited because in this box is something that I have been talking about and working on for 8 months, maybe a year. So a few months ago, I flew to Toronto to the John Bead headquarters. I went through the entire warehouse with the John Bead staff looking for the most beautiful beads I could find. So it was the most amazing treasure hunt I have ever been on. Now, John Bead has been buying beads for 70 years from all over the world. Some boxes they've never even opened, and these are the boxes I wanted to dive into to create the most beautiful Curiosities subscription bead box for you. You know how much I love beads, and you know how much I love John Bead. So we put together a series of subscription boxes, each box with a theme, and each box filled with beads that you can't find anywhere else. So if you want the most incredible beads coming to your doorstep every single month, then you want to subscribe to John Bead's Curiosities bead box. Now, I don't know which bead box they're starting off with. What I do know is that there are a couple of extra boxes in here for a couple of lucky winners. Are you ready to open this bead box? I know I am. It is pretty rare that I get this excited to open a box, but today is an exception. Okay, wow, this box is much bigger than I thought it would be. I have seen other subscription bead boxes and they are much smaller. Okay, they've sent me a few extra to share, so make sure to leave a comment and follow John Bead on Instagram. I will leave a link to their page in the description and the comments. Tell them that Mark sent you and you will be entered. Awesome! They started out with Mermaid Cove. Here is a postcard with a story to give you the feel of the beads that we chose. I love that the graphics inside of the box are keeping with the theme. Look at this. Love the holographic sequin sprinkles. This is some silk cord to get you started right away. Here we have 3 strands, 2 teardrop, and glass pearls. I mean, you have to have pearls if you're doing a Mermaid Cove theme, right? I love that the beads are in gossamer bags. These are glass and faceted crystal beads. The snail-shaped beads are so cute. These are glass iridescent seashells and flowers. Perfect. Here are some faceted pearls and crystals in a light coral. Great color. I'm pretty sure these are from the 1950s or 60s. More large glass seashell shapes. Iridescent flowers and rounds in ocean blues. Here we have earring wires and some rhinestone bezel settings. I'm pretty sure they go with these antique glass opal cabochons. Ooh, blue too. This is amazing. It's a huge opalescent stone pendant. This is going to make an amazing statement piece. Wow, 3 vials of beautiful seed beads and some large iridescent pastel colored beads. And finally, a little collectible mermaid pin for your jacket. Not sure about you, but I cannot wait to get started making things with this beautiful collection. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. I love this bead box. I'm gonna leave a link below so that you can be part of John Bead's Curiosities bead box monthly subscription, and every month get the most amazing selection of beautiful beads for your jewelry projects. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you real soon. Bye everybody.